it's not on.
Oh yeah. Okay, so guys, we're going to do is it on?
Yeah, it's already been recorded.
Okay, cool. We're going to do a classic demonstration about pressure, or demonstrating pressure. I've got a can here, I'm going to put some water in it, I've put some water in it, and we're going to simply heat that water up. Yeah? Now I want you to think about what's happening to the water as it heats, and what's happening to the pressure within the can. Now when we start to see a little steam coming out of this can, we're going to tip it upside down into ice cold water here. So it's got some peas in, nice and cold from the freezer, and we're going to see what happens, and then you're going to try and think about why that's happened and what has all that got to do with pressure in a gas. So here we go. Can you see all that steam coming out there? You see that? Right? Now if you do this at home, you can do it at home, make sure that you do it with an adult supervision, and don't use a Kubriboka, use some tongs to do this. I don't have any tongs. Let's see if this works. I'm going to hold that there, it's really hot, and I'm going to turn this over. Whee!
There it is.
And it's worked, and I haven't hurt myself. Try it at home. I'm not telling you to do it at home, but if you want to do it at home, you can. But just make sure you do it with an adult and you use tongs to turn it over. Yeah, it is good fun, and if you can do it, film a video and send it in. But I'll ask you some questions about pressure. Thank you. Check you later. Okay guys, so we're going to just explain, or try and explain, or pose some questions to help us think about how we went from this can here to this can here without us physically squeezing it. We heated a small amount of water in there. Yeah? The water in there gained energy and actually started to vaporize, become a gas. Now that gas has a lot more energy than the water. Yeah? When it has energy, you've got these lots of these particles moving around fast and hitting the sides, exerting the pressure. And you also saw a lot of it escape. So there's a few very energetic particles inside, creating that pressure that equalizes the air pressure on the outside, and you've got the whole can. When we tip the can into the ice cold water, what happens to the energy of these few particles in there? It goes down. It goes down, and they don't press as much on the sides of the can anymore, which means that the pressure of the air outside is now greater than the pressure of the air inside. And so when you have a greater pressure outside, boom, and that's what happens. Hopefully I've explained that okay for you. Try the quiz, have a good lesson.